Good evening.
Please introduce yourself, and firstly, I would like to congratulate you for your award, Business Diplomacy Award at EurAsia Gulf Excellence Awards 2025. You can introduce yourself and your business council and let us know about you a little bit.
Thank you so much. I'm really pleasant to be here. My name is Neven Roginić. I am the chairman of UAE-Croatia Business Club. We are a club that facilitates the entrance of Croatian companies to the UAE market and also supports the Emirati investors with investment opportunities in Croatia. So we started at the beginning of this year. We are very active. Already we have more than 90 members from both sides. Some of the companies are very prominent companies from the UAE market. And we are trying to achieve also to help our companies in Croatia to come on this market and to find their strategic partners, investors, and also their marketplace here.
Only 1 year and already you're receiving an award. It means that you've been working really hard, tireless nights. What does this award mean to you?
It means really a lot. It's a great recognition from our, let's say, friends. EurAsia Gulf is really part of our family and we are part of their family. I can remember some moments in your life are really worth of remembering. For example, there was February 17, our first event here. We did it all together with EurAsia Gulf. And it was a really nice, pleasant evening where we met a lot of our first connections here. So they were our facilitator of our entrance to this market, and I'm really proud of our partnership and also friendship with Navar and Usama and the rest of the EurAsia Gulf family.
Now, you facilitate diplomacy between UAE and Croatia. It's been 1 year, you've done a tremendous job, you've actually already had an award. What is your proudest moment for that diplomacy work you're doing between Croatia and UAE?
We did great events here. For example, I brought a delegation of 40 extraordinary entrepreneurs on 25th of September this year. Also together with EurAsia Gulf, we co-organized the EurAsia Balkan Business Forum. So those 40 entrepreneurs really had the opportunity to fill this market, to interact with other potential clients and also to explore the opportunities here. But there are a lot of moments.
I can imagine.
This year was extremely active. Also our partnership with Ministry of Economy and Tourism, where we collaborated on Investopia, Central Eastern Europe, a few weeks ago here in Dubai, was also one of the key moments. Many collaborations with the trade organizations, with embassies, with a lot of partners who recognized our work. So it's very hard to emphasize and focus on only one achievement.
I can imagine. But let me ask you, what do you look forward to 2026? I mean, you're closing the year 2025 with such an award. It means that it's putting you on a pedestal for 2026. What are you looking forward for 2026?
We are in front of some very big investments for our members that we brought on table. So now we are inside of some negotiations. We will definitely extend our activities. Now we are also in a process of establishment of Croatia Business Council under the framework of Dubai Chambers that is going to further institutionalize support for Croatian companies that are already operating on this market. So we are actively extending, and I'm really looking forward to 2026 and everything what it brings.
Can I be part of UAE?
Absolutely, you're most welcome.
Thank you so much. Congratulations once again. I shall see you around. Enjoy EurAsia Gulf Excellence Awards tonight and celebrate your moments.
Thank you.
Thank you
so much.
Good night.